All right, welcome everyone. Quentin, hello.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Good.
I got this beautiful little
Guild
M-25 made in California.
Yep.
And it's just fun.
We're
I love
on a
parlors, you know.
We're on a nice little roll today with some of the USA guitars. We just did that Breedlove, which was the big body. Now we're going to a smaller body.
Yeah. In fact, just for the sake of, because I really love this guitar. Hold on, I'm gonna.
Yeah, here.
Let's tuck it in there.
Hold it up. I just want to see the size.
Oh yeah.
That's what we just went from.
Yeah. So it's when you're in the room when we're filming these videos and we're going like guitar to guitar to guitar. We've said it before in other videos. It's so relative.
Yeah.
Right. Because when you're not consciously comparing, but you can't help going from a boomer like this to something that's far more I wouldn't say subdued, but petite, higher end focused.
Yeah, exactly. And because at first my first thought was, whoa, this thing is like,
it's quiet.
Because you just played
small.
the big body.
Yeah. So.
But why would you want that? And then you always play some things. There's a reason why you would want this. I could see some nice bluesy stuff on there too. Yeah. It's mellow. You know what I mean? It's very mellow. So what is this? All solid wood, nitro finish on the top, satin finish on the back.
Yeah.
All mahogany, made in the USA, in the Guild, California factory. Guild's been around. This guitar is from the '60s initially. The model.
Not this particular guitar.
Exactly.
This is fresh.
This is fresh out of the new not new anymore, new California plant. It's been there, I don't know, 5-6 years now.
Yeah. That's new, given the history of Guild.
Yeah.
Right?
Guild it's amazing how many people really still recognize Guild and how many older Guild guitars still come in on trade here.
Yeah. Well, we did the F55 and D55 comparison recently, and the folks come out of the woodwork saying, "Oh,
they do. They love their old Guild."
Yeah, particularly the D55s have a real fan base, and you can see why, because they crush. They are really great guitars, and I think on the smaller end of the guitars, Guild is doing some really cool things too.
Yeah, and this one's mellow. I can tell you right now, especially with the mahogany top and the small body, but mellow.
But it's still responsive.
Mellow,
It's warm, and I like mellow when you have the smaller body guitars because they can be a little brash and tinny.
You're right.
Is how some people would describe them. But to a certain extent, they're meant to be a little bit more trebly in general.
Totally.
Because you're extending the higher registers of the guitar.
And just for the record, we had this M-20 back here. Same guitar. We have that one, and we have that one as well.
Let me see that real quick.
I don't think they even
all mahogany versus spruce.
Yeah, spruce top.
Sitka
same
probably.
body shape and everything. And then no gloss on the top.
No gloss.
But same guitar, spruce top.
So bigger,
much brighter,
and it's not quite in tune. So apologies. Oh yeah, it's louder.
Yeah,
it's definitely. And this is mahogany back and sides.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying not to bang on it too much.
And this is the M-20.
Yeah, this sounds much smoother.
Right. So that's why you might want. If you're sitting on the couch and you don't want to, annoy the neighbors, and you want a real mellow guitar, but it's real nice. It's really nice, but.
It's just pretty. I mean, and it plays nice. I love these sizes.
Great size.
I'm still very much in love with my CEO7.
Yeah.
But I just wish I had more money and wall space.
Well,
right, closet space, someplace to put all these things.
We all do.
Yeah.
Quentin, thanks.
Yeah, you
appreciate it. That's
the
Guild M-25.
Made in California.
Made in California. Check it out, musicvilla.com. Thanks for watching.